Hello, everyone. This is Estella. Here's what's new on Jodoo for October 2024. In this update, we're rolling out exciting updates that will optimize custom button and member selection experience. Let's dive in. First up, configuring button display locations. Starting from this version, you can now set the display location of custom buttons during setup. You can choose from two options, the detail page and grid view. Additionally, custom buttons are now supported in the Kanban view on PC and the gallery view on mobile, making buttons accessible across more scenarios and enhancing operational convenience. Second, no more limits on the number of custom buttons displayed in a view. There's no longer a limit on the number of custom buttons displayed in a view. Admins can add multiple high-frequency buttons as needed, allowing members to access and operate them quickly. And to make things even smoother, in the grid view on PC, we've fixed custom buttons on the right column, keeping your layout clean and organized. Third, customized submit button text will not be displayed on the record editing page. For instance, if you change the submit button text to store, it will display as store on the creation page, but default to submit on the editing page. Next, let's talk about member selection. We have improved the member selection list for a smoother experience. Enjoy multi-keyword search for quicker access, a view all button to see all selected options in the drop-down, and adjustable width for the department structure view to maximize visibility. To simplify the list structure, the original department category is now integrated under member. To top it all off, members' avatars will now be displayed when selecting from the drop-down list. Selecting the right team member just got easier. Now, when you open the drop-down menu, you'll see members' avatars, along with their department and ID number, for internal members. No more mix-ups when names are similar. Find who you need in seconds. Looking to unlock even more potential in Jodoo? We have 2 new video tutorials that dive into essential features. First, check out how to manage permissions for managers and users in Jodoo, a complete guide to setting up permissions that make it easy to control who has access to what, keeping your data secure and team workflows organized. And there's more. In how to import external submission data into Jodoo, we walk you through importing external data smoothly and accurately, helping you expand and centralize information in Jodoo with ease. You can find the 2 videos in our YouTube channel. Okay, everyone, that's it for this update. We hope these enhancements improve your Jodoo experience. Try out these new features today and take your productivity to the next level. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more useful videos to help you get started with speed and ease.